Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use your YouTube video descriptions to get more views, grow your channel, and increase your earnings. By the end of this video, you will have a complete template that you can use for all your videos. When you look at a YouTube video description, only the first couple of lines are visible before a viewer has to click Show More. These top two lines are the most important, and I'm going to show you how to make the most of them. In the first line of your description, you should write one clear sentence that describes your video. Use words and phrases that people are actively searching for on YouTube and Google. This will help your video rank in search results. Try to use different words from your title while still staying relevant to your content. This way, you can target more keywords without being repetitive. The second line of your description should be your call to action. This is your chance to direct people to your website, a product link, or another video. Since many viewers won't click Show More, having this link in the second line ensures maximum visibility. If you're promoting an affiliate link or a website, place it here. If you mention something in your video that has a link in the description, say so. For example, if you talk about a product, let viewers know they can find a link below. This increases the chances of them opening your description and engaging with more of your content. Below your first two lines, include a link to another video on your channel. Ideally, this should be a related video that complements the current one. Many viewers won't reach the end screen where you place suggested videos, so including a link here keeps them on your channel longer. Next, add a section with affiliate links. If you use specific equipment or recommend certain products, this is a great place to list them. Instead of adding multiple individual links, you can create a landing page that includes everything. This makes your description cleaner and easier to manage. If you have a second channel or a podcast, you can promote it by tagging the channel directly in the description. YouTube allows clickable at mentions, making it easy for viewers to navigate to your other content. Your description should also include a section that tells people how they can work with you. Whether you sell an online course, offer consultations, or have a book, include a link here. People who find value in your content may want to go deeper, and this is where you can provide that opportunity. Another important section is your social media links. If you're active on Instagram, Twitter, or any other platform, include links so viewers can follow you there. Encourage engagement by inviting people to leave a comment. You can ask a question related to your video topic or let them know you'll be responding to comments. This boosts engagement, which helps your video perform better in the algorithm. If you use music from a service like Epidemic Sound, include a link to where viewers can find the tracks. This is useful for those who ask about your background music and can also be another affiliate opportunity. One critical part of your description is a disclaimer, especially if you use affiliate links. If you're part of Amazon affiliates, you need to include a statement saying that some links are affiliate links and you may earn a commission. This keeps you compliant with platform guidelines. YouTube automatically adds chapter markers if your video has timestamps in the description, but you can still include a list of timestamps at the bottom for easier navigation. This is helpful for viewers and improves watch time by allowing people to jump to the sections they find most interesting. If you use hashtags, place them at the bottom of your description. YouTube displays the first 3 hashtags above the title, so use relevant ones that help categorize your content. At the very bottom, add a few lines describing what the video is about. This helps YouTube understand your content better, improving its chances of being recommended to the right audience. Now, let's set this up so that every time you upload a video, your description is automatically added. Go to YouTube Studio, then click on Settings in the bottom left corner. Select Upload Defaults and go to the Basic Info tab. In the description box, paste your template. This ensures that each new video has a structured and optimized description, saving you time. If you want to grow your YouTube channel even faster, I highly recommend using VidEQ. It's a powerful tool that helps you with keyword research, video optimization, and analytics. You can find a link to vidIQ in the description below. Check it out to maximize your YouTube growth.